Hi guys, in this video we'll be talking about loopings in Golang. So if we compare in other languages, so there are multiple types of loops. For example, there is a for loop, there is a for each loop, while loop and do while loop. But Go is simple, it just have a single for loop. So let's quickly get rid of these comments and see how that for loop will be using. Now whatever we do in for each loop, while loop and do while loop, right? So that all can be done in a single for loop as well. So that's the simplicity present in the Golang. So let's start writing a for loop. Okay. So for loop starts with the keyword for. Then we need to initialize a variable. So I'll be going with a variable I. You can use any variable here. For example, let me use a value here. Okay. Value colon equals 0. Now after initialization, there should be a semicolon. Then the condition where our value should be less than or equal to 5 and value plus plus. Value plus plus, doing value plus plus is same as doing value equals value plus 1. This is same as this. Now let's try to print what's the value of I. I is I. Let's quickly run this program. I is undefined. Okay, because I have used value there. Here you go guys, it starts from the value starts from 0 and it goes till 5. Now this is about just having a for loop. So let's try to use data structures present in Go and try to loop over them. So let me quickly create a slice. So I'll be creating a slice with the name my slice, which I'll be initializing it to a slice of strings. I'll be hard coding the value. Let's say our pet names: cat, dog, hamster, and tiger. In order to loop through this slice, what we have to do is we need to range over this object, the variable. Range is nothing but going from the beginning till the end of the values. Now let's quickly write a for loop. So I'll be writing for I comma x. I'm using a shorthand rule. Then we'll be using a range function. Then we'll be putting my slice into it. Now this nothing but I and x will get a value when we do a range of my slice. Right? Now let's quickly check what the I and x will be having. I will be containing the index and x will contain the actual value present inside the slice. Now I is equals to, we're going to put the I value, and x is equals to the x value. Let's run that. Log dot print, there's an n typo. Here we see guys, it has looped through the slice. Now there are 4 elements in our slice. All 4 of them have been printed. If you see that I is coming 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are getting respective values one after the another. Now mostly while ranging from slices, we'll not be using I and x, we'll simply using the x value. So we'll be using an underscore here. Underscore simply means we are not going to use that value whatever is coming. Now let's run that, and let's remove from here. Here you guys, we are getting the value x equals cat, dog, hamsters, and tiger. They can be a slice of any data type here. Let it be string, integers, booleans, any value. Even the it can have the variables of structures. Now what do you mean by variables of structure? Let's quickly see what do I mean by that. So let me create a structure here with the name user, so which is a struct. So it's gonna have first name, which is a string. It's gonna have a last name, again a string. So only 2 attributes. Now let me remove these lines. So I have declared a slice here, okay, of users type. So use the type of the data which will be storing in the slices, the user. Now let's quickly create few users. User 1. I'm gonna give first name colon Tayyab. I'm gonna leave the last name empty. So username 2 I'm be taking as Salman. Now let's quickly add these users into the slice. Now my slice equals append, passing the my slice and the user one, and same thing goes for user 2. Now once I arrange from this right, the X should be containing the complete structure. Now let's quickly run that. There is a syntax error, comma expected. Yes, so we have also encountered this in our previous tutorial. So let's put a comma. Let's quickly run that. So cut the previous one. You see that X is coming as a structure object it is showing. Now not only structure object, we can also access it with the help of the attributes. Let's put X dot first name, which we have kept. Now let's execute it again. Here we go guys, X is Tayyab and X is Salman next time. Now we have seen looping and ranging on the slices. Let it be any data type present in the slice. Now let's see how we can loop and range over the math variables. So let me comment this out and create a new variable. So where my map equals make map of keys will be of type string and values will also be of type string. Now let's add values into this my map. So my map of first name equals Tayyab and my map of second name equals Salman. Now let's try to loop it. So same way follows for the looping of map. For we'll be giving I comma X. So we can give any names here, again I'm repeating, and we'll be arranging over the my map. Then we'll be printing it, log dot println I equals I value and X equals X value. Let's execute this quickly and check. Unexpected this. Okay, so I have made a typo here. So there should be only one closing bracket. So here we see guys, I is coming as the first name and next time it is coming as a second name, and X is coming as a Tayyab and next time Salman. So basically what I is taking is, I is taking the key which we are keeping in the map and X is taking the value. This is how we loop in the variables of type map. So guys, we have already talked about in our previous videos about creating slices and maps and also defining structures and creating variables of type structure. So I'll leave the link of those videos in the description. You can go and check it out from there. That's it for this video guys. Bye bye.